recent survey in Zimbabwe has uncovered some alarming news. Nearly 50% of goods sold in informal retail shops, such as tuck shops and vending stores, are counterfeit and potentially hazardous to consumers' health. This is according to Douglas Nyowa, Chief Director of Commerce in the Ministry of Industry and Commerce in Zimbabwe. The ministry's survey, conducted in collaboration with the Standards Association of Zimbabwe, found that half of the products tested did not meet required standards. This includes fake versions of everyday essentials like Vaseline, flour, rice, and toothpaste. The proliferation of counterfeit goods in Zimbabwe has reached crisis levels, with formal retail shops struggling to compete with informal traders. Many retail shops have closed or reduced operations due to their competition, leading to significant business losses. The government has launched a blitz against the counterfeit and smuggled goods, which has been successful in confiscating and destroying fake products. However, the ministry is calling for further support from Parliament to intensify the fight against counterfeit goods and protect consumers' health.